Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I talked the other day about digital marketing tips, and this is one of those, honing in on hyper-personalization. Now, in the link that I got inspired to do this with, they said 98% of marketers agree that personalization helps improve customer relationships. Only 22% of consumers are satisfied with the level of personalization they get from brands. So the brands know they got to personalize, but the users, they're not seeing it, okay? So Instapage has got a blog post about hyper-personalization, and we've got 3 examples that work. Take a look. It's part of the digital marketing tips for March 2024 that I did the other day, and I've got the link in the Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, it's got a link in there that's got the links within it. Oh, and while I'm talking about the Google document, scroll down just a bit and you'll see the link to the YouTube video if you want to see what I'm saying. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.